Welcome back to InvestoSphere, your go-to channel for online earning and financial freedom. In today's video, we're going to explore a powerful platform that has been growing rapidly, Medium.com. If you've ever wanted to write and get paid for it, or if you're looking for a new way to earn money online, you're in the right place. Medium.com allows anyone with a passion for writing to share their thoughts, ideas, and expertise while making money. But here's the catch. It's not just about writing any content. In this video, we'll dive into the strategies that top earners use on Medium, how you can start today, and the secrets to maximizing your income. Stick around to the end of the video, because we're going to answer an important question. How much can you really earn on Medium? Let's get started. What is Medium.com? Medium.com is a publishing platform that allows writers to share their ideas and stories with the world. It's different from traditional blogging platforms because Medium has a built-in audience. Instead of spending time and energy trying to attract visitors to your blog, Medium provides you with a place to reach thousands or even millions of readers. But what makes Medium even more exciting for those of us looking to earn money online is its partner program. This program lets you earn money based on how many people read, engage with, and clap for your stories. The more attention your writing gets, the more you can make. And the best part? You don't need to be a seasoned writer to start. Whether you're an expert or just passionate about a topic, Medium is a platform for everyone. How does Medium's partner program work? The Medium Partner Program is where the magic happens. When you join the program, your stories are monetized through Medium's Partner Program payouts. Here's how it works. Paper read. You earn money when paying members of Medium read your stories. The more engagement your stories get, the more you earn. Claps and comments. Claps are Medium's way of showing appreciation. The more claps your article gets, the more likely it is to get shared. The more comments, the more engagement, and again, the more you earn. Subscription revenue. Medium pays you a portion of the subscription revenue that paying members bring in. So, the better your content, the more you earn. The partner program is free. The best part? Joining the partner program is free. All you need to do is create a profile, write your first article, and submit it for review. Once approved, you're good to go. How to start earning on Medium. Now that we know how Medium's partner program works, let's talk about how to get started. Create your Medium account. If you don't already have one, sign up at Medium.com. It's free to join, and setting up your profile is straightforward. Make sure your bio is clear and enticing, as it helps build your credibility. Join the partner program. Once you've created your account, you need to join the Medium Partner Program. You can apply from your account settings, and once you're accepted, you'll be able to start earning. Write high-quality content. To succeed on Medium, focus on writing high-quality, engaging content. Write about topics you're passionate about or areas where you have expertise. Don't just write for the sake of writing. Your goal should be to create articles that solve problems, inspire, or educate. Write consistently. Consistency is key on Medium. The more you publish, the more your articles will get noticed. Aim to publish at least one article a week. This will build your portfolio and attract more readers to your profile. Focus on SEO. Although Medium has a built-in audience, using search engine optimization, SEO, strategies is crucial. Use relevant keywords in your titles, subtitles, and throughout your articles. This will help your content rank better and get discovered by more people. What makes Medium different from other platforms? There are many ways to earn money online through writing. So why choose Medium? Well, here are a few reasons. Built-in audience. Unlike starting your own blog, Medium already has an audience of millions of readers. You don't have to work hard to drive traffic to your articles. Passive income. Once you have quality articles on Medium, you can earn passive income over time. Even if your article doesn't get a lot of reads initially, it can continue to make money as it's shared or found through search. Flexibility. You have full control over the topics you write about. Whether it's personal finance, technology, health, or even travel, you get to choose your niche. Low barriers to entry. You don't need a website, advanced technical skills, or previous experience to start earning. Medium gives anyone a chance to succeed. How much can you earn on Medium? This is the burning question. How much can you really earn on Medium? Well, the answer depends on several factors. The quality of your writing, how well you market your articles, how much engagement your articles get, the number of subscribers you attract. Some writers make a few dollars a month, while others make hundreds or even thousands. For example, a writer could earn $100 from one article if it goes viral and gains significant engagement. Top earners can make $5,000 a month or more. It's all about consistency, quality, and growing your audience. Marketing your Medium articles. Simply writing great articles won't cut it. You need to market your articles effectively. Here's how. Share on social media. Share your articles on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram to increase visibility. Email newsletter. Build an email list of readers who are interested in your content. Send them regular updates about new articles. Engage with readers. Respond to comments on your articles to build a loyal audience. Collaborate with other Medium writers. Networking with other writers can help you gain more exposure. Guest post for each other. Mention each other's work and support one another. Mistakes to avoid on Medium. While Medium is a fantastic platform, there are a few mistakes to avoid. Not writing regularly. Inconsistent writing can lead to losing momentum and not building an audience. Ignoring SEO. Even though Medium has an audience, it still requires SEO to get your articles discovered. Overloading your articles with ads. Focus on creating valuable content first, not just on monetization. Neglecting engagement. Not responding to comments or interacting with readers can harm your reputation and reduce engagement. How to grow your Medium presence. Now that you know the basics, let's talk about growing your presence on Medium. Here are a few tips. Focus on building your brand. Consistently write on the topics you're passionate about. Over time, you'll develop your unique voice and style. Collaborate with other Medium writers. As I mentioned earlier, working with other writers is one of the best ways to grow. You can cross-promote each other's work and increase visibility. Be patient. Growing on Medium takes time. Don't expect overnight success, but keep writing and engaging. With persistence, your efforts will pay off. Thanks for sticking with me through this deep dive into how to use Medium.com to earn money online. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to InvestoSphere for more detailed, actionable guides just like this one. See you in the next video.